Hi, I'm Boris with Growatt, and I'm here on site with an installation using our WIT inverter. On this site, we have completely off-grid installation, but the WIT inverter can do more. It can do on-grid, off-grid. You can have energy storage or no energy storage. You can have PV or no PV, which would be an on-grid installation. And it even has the capability of doing UPS, all locally managed by the WIT inverter itself. So it's a very versatile piece of equipment with a lot of use cases, with a lot of power ranges too. So we can go anywhere from 28 kilowatts all the way to something as big as this, which is something like 18 megawatt hours of energy storage. Our commercial inverter is trying to simplify everything. So rather than having separate systems for your PV inverter, your PV string inverter, and then a separate PCS inverter for your energy storage, we try to locally do it all with our single inverter, our WIT, which makes it really easy to install. You have everything connects, all your PV connects directly to your WIT, your batteries connect directly to your WIT, it's all plug and play, it's all monitored by the same inverter and the same platform. And commissioning is easy and quick because of it. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'll be sure to respond quickly and figure out how we can support you.